This next video is about web maps. There are 4 web maps created for this project so far. This particular one is the geotag tweets. And as you can see, there are tweets from 2 different weeks. And when you click on one, you get a little pop-up and it shows you the keyword that the FME search pulled from the Twitter feed for the state of Texas. And then also below that you have the actual text. You can see here the hashtag "Don't Mess with Texas" is what got this into our list of results. Next, these are the litter reports from the Survey 123 survey. The red is showing you that yes, it's a hazard to drivers, so that would be something the Department of Transportation would want to get picked up right away. The rest were all along the side of the road. Also displayed are the sponsor a highway in dark gray and the adopt a highway roads in green. These are just theoretical, as no existing GIS data is available currently. You can also click on the survey points and see a little bit more information about what was collected. Some of those same questions that are from the Survey 123 app when you fill out something you've seen on the side of the road. As more survey points come in, there should be more data, especially collected around those roads that actually can have volunteers along them, which is only the green adopt a highway. But it shouldn't take long with multiple people filling out the Survey 123 survey to get those results logged and start doing some real analysis. Also included in this data set are the Texas county boundaries, which have some information. It's going to show which TxDOT district it's in, which there's multiple counties that make up one TxDOT district. And then we've also included the county FIPS ID number, which could at some point be linked to county level census data. And then we've also included the Department of Public Safety's ID number. This next web map is the education exploration. And once again, we see those sponsor a highway and adopt a highway roads in the background. Just kind of show proximity to some of these other feature layers we've imported. So the big blue dots are your colleges and universities, and the yellow are just the primary, intermediate, and secondary schools. And they've been symbolized in clusters because there's so many. So the pop-up, depending on where you're zoomed in, will tell you how many features. It changes as you get closer. And you can also see, if you click on Browse More Features, you can see all the different. So this particular one has 14 near where I clicked, and you can push the next button and see some different information about each of the different schools. And the more you zoom in, the more the dots will break up. So there's also another layer that we pulled in from the Living Atlas that shows the level of education per census tract. And that's the average for the census tract of whether people graduated from high school or college and to what degree. And those are different sizes too, so different number of people. And you can get more information too if you click on that, and you'll get another pop-up. You can add bookmarks, just a couple set, but you can add more if you're wanting to focus on a certain area of the map. So this web map just kind of gives you an idea. Like right here we see the green Adopt a Highway roads. Could be a good target area. Got some good sized school districts nearby. And for the indicators, you've got well-educated people that you might be able to send flyers to or do some outreach to get some different volunteers for some activities to clean up these local roads that can have volunteers. And lastly, since this project's about collaboration, we've pulled all the different hosted feature services and some of the extra data from ArcGIS Online to create one web map. So just at the Texas state level, you have a little bit of information. You see the sponsor and Adopt a Highway roads again. The litter reports are in orange this time. You click on it, you still can get a pop-up with the information that someone logged for it. There's also the Twitter results, same thing. You see the filtered keyword and then the tweet content. But there are also the schools on this layer, and there's some bookmarks set, and you definitely can add more. But once you zoom in, that's when they start appearing. So the purple are just those lower level schools, and the green are the colleges and universities. And you just still have access to some of the information. And you can also have more if you look at the attribute table for any of these layers. You can see a little bit more information.